everyone, welcome to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to redeem Fortnite gift card. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to redeem Fortnite gift card, first open up a web browser. Type in www.epicgames.com/Fortnite and press enter. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Click on sign in at the upper right hand corner and enter and choose sign in with Epic Games option. Type in your email address and your password associated with your Epic Games account and click log in now. Once you're logged into your account, mouse over to your profile icon at the upper right and click on redeem code. Enter your code that is available at the back of your gift card and soon after you do that, click on the redeem button. Similarly, if you want to redeem your V-Bucks card, then once you mouse over to your name, click on V-Bucks card options in the display. Click on get started and enter your redemption code into the text box. Once you enter the code from the back of your V-Bucks card, choose the device you play Fortnite on after you click next on the next page. Follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to redeem your gift card for Fortnite using Epic Games. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.